Yes, we're radical environmentalists. We love clean air and clean water and our beaches in good order. Oh, we're radical environmentalists. Oh, we don't like energy from fossil fuels. And we know that fracking kills, we ain't no fools. And we'd rather see those windmills soar than nuclear plants on our lakeshore. We're radical environmentalists. We've seen drilling, we've seen fracking in our time, but we'll stand against reversing line 9.